Hey YouTube, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is I went to my dad's lake cabin. It's like it's like a trailer house, but it's not. It's like kind of in between a trailer house and a tiny house. But he's got that. It was in one of my drone videos there at the Lake Fork in East Texas. And I was playing around with my Revo and my Arma Notorious there, and I got some jumping footage and some other stuff. You guys are going to check it out in a minute. I had fun. Both cars broke. I ended up having problems with both cars, so I'm just going to combine it into one video for you guys. I'm working on lots of projects. This is my Stark. I got the stack built for it and the motor wires soldered up. I've been working on this, trying to get this going. I got all the parts I need for it. I just got to finish building it. I'm having a lot of problems with my 12S Creighton. The ESC is not working properly. That ZTW ESC has been nothing but problems. I bought the program card, and the program card seemed to cause a lot more problems. It seemed to work without ever hooking the program card to it. But then once I hooked that program card to it, it messed it all up. It won't work right. It like gives it partial throttle, intermittent, and I can't figure out how to get it fixed. But I'm going to keep messing with it and get it going for you guys. But I am getting some of my drones fixed. My Mobula 7 is fixed now. I just got that fixed today. My 5-inch, I just redone the wire on it. It was sparking, had a loose connection. I think it's ready to go. I just got to test it. My 5-inch Stingy quad. And that slam from that last video was with my Flywoo, and I think I've messed it up. The antenna popped off with it on, so I think I probably burned up my VTX. And my little iFlight here, I got to do some soldering on it. Some of the solders got messed up, so I got to resolder some of the wires. Lots of projects going on here, guys. I got plenty of stuff to keep me busy. I'm finally getting some of it fixed, and other parts of it is giving me problems, but I'll get there. Just projects to work on in my downtime. I wanted to tell you guys also, I got a Patreon now. The link's going to be down in the description. I finally made a Patreon account, and any of you guys that want to go sign up, I greatly appreciate it. It helped me stick around and be able to do more here on YouTube. And, you know, I help keep stuff fixed and stuff like that. And I plan to do a lot of special things with the Patreon to make it cool, you know. Lots of exclusive content, commercial-free content, and a lot of other stuff. All the details are on there. But yeah, guys, go check it out. It's going to be linked below. Check out my Patreon and sign up if you want to. Anyway, check out this footage from my dad's lake cabin with the E-Revo and the Notorious. And then I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Roll that footage. It's broke, guys. I broke the shock right there and the drive shaft's out of it. That's gonna do it. Make sure if you like the video, you drop a like, and if you're new, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. That's gonna end the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure and go check out my Patreon link down below. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Later.